Step E. The customer sends the drawing information, and we match the corresponding model based on the customer's drawing information. Step R. The customer sends samples, and we make molds based on the customer's samples in a 1-to-1 ratio. Step 3. According to the customer's requirements, we complete the machine manufacturing and conduct the final testing before shipment.
加工前、加工后对比。
Step 4. The machine arrives in the customer's country, and the customer's installation is completed, greatly improving the customer's operational efficiency. The customer's comments on our machine are far beyond my imagination. Very high evaluation.